Hey, what's up, Sam here. Today let's take a look at the Redmi Airdots 2. Just for record, currently still in crowdfunding on Xiaomi platform, not available for ordering yet. You can get availability from the link below in the description. I personally don't own this product. The content you are going to see in this video are from my content partners here in China. I just added the English voiceover. Huge thanks to them. Give them a subscription if you can. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, the highlights. The Redmi Airdots 2 are capable of instant connection, mono mode, stereo mode switching, Bluetooth 5.0, 12 hours of battery life with a case eraser. So in the box, you will find the Redmi Airdots 2, 2 pair of air tips and an instruction. That's all. The case adopts a plastic frosting process with the shiny logo on it. It looks a little bit premium. This case is just super compact. You can basically put it into any pocket effortlessly. One downside though is the micro USB charging. But hey, it's an $11 earbuds. What else can you expect? The hinge here enables you to open and fix the lid in any angle, which is nice. Move to the earbuds, it's just tiny as hell with only 4.1 grams. It can be noticed when you put in your ear. Not about connection. That's one of the optimization from the first generation. The first time you connect, just take the earbuds out of the case, turn on your phone's Bluetooth, find the Redmi Airdots 2 in the list, and confirm. Easy peasy. Not like some cheap earbuds you have to long press somewhere. After the first connection, they will auto-connect in each future use. Another great upgrade is the seamless mono mode, stereo mode water switching. To simply put, when you wear two earbuds, they will play audio in stereo mode. Check it out. When you take one earbud off, then you will want to switch to mono audio mode. Isn't it a cool feature, folks? So now about the audio testing. Each earbud sports a 7.2mm driver and DSP digital noise reduction technology. As I mentioned before, I don't have the earbuds at the moment, so I'm unable to tell you how they listen like personally, but if you're interested, you can go to my partner's channel to check that out. It seems that the earbuds produce pretty clear and well-balanced audio. Anyway, please subscribe to my channel as I might share more of that once I get the earbuds. Subscribe please. As the Redmi Airdots 2 feature Bluetooth 5.0, how is the gaming latency? Let's find out. Amazing, isn't it? To be honest, I cannot see the difference between this $10 Redmi earbuds and the $200 Apple AirPods. And for others, each earbud has a physical button. Double tap on either of the earbuds to activate voice assistant. This kind of physical buttons can reduce accidental touches to some extent compared to those non-physical key touch sensitive earbuds. But yeah, you do need to use a little bit more force to press the earbuds. For other gesture controls, it's not a big difference from many other earbuds that I've tested before. Tap once to play pause music or answer or end the phone call, long press to reject a phone call. For battery life, the official claims 4 hours on a single charge, 12 hours with the case in total, but in real life test, it's about 3 hours, but still decent considering how tiny size these earbuds are. To conclude, Xiaomi has just surprised us with yet another pair of crazy deal earbuds. I mean, if you just want an entry-level TWS earbuds, look no further. Just go and get it. Link in the description. You don't even need to think about it for a second. Smooth user experience, good battery life, serviceable sound quality. What else can you ask for, right? I would say it's the best budget non-active noise cancelling earbuds in 2020. Period. And if you want one pair of best budget active noise cancelling earbuds on the market right now, what they would be? The Transmart Apollo Bolt. But that would be another video. If you want to learn more, please subscribe to Geekbench channel. All links are down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.